Tools required: electric drill, Phillips bit. Remove the freezer door. Slide the freezer door to the end of its track, then lift it up and out to remove it from the refrigerator. Place the freezer door face down on a stable surface, with the drawer guides facing up. Detach the lower freezer drawer. Remove the screws securing the lower freezer drawer to the drawer guides and set the screws aside. Remove lower freezer door bin and set aside. Unscrew and remove the drawer guides from the freezer door. Remove the old drawer guides. Install the new drawer guides. Attach the new drawer guides to the freezer door with screws. Insert freezer door bin. Attach the new drawer guides to the freezer door bin with screws. Reinstall the freezer door. Insert the freezer door at an angle into its tracks, then slide it back into position.